some conversations that you can talk with your new friends, and hopefully you can learn some short phrases that from our lesson today.
1. Cotton ball. Cotton ball. 2. Tweezers. Tweezers. 3. Gauze. Gauze. 4. Hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide. 5. Antibacterial cream. Antibacterial cream. 6. Bandage. Bandage. 7. Scissors. Scissors. 8. Iodine. Iodine. 9. Safety pin. Safety pin. 10. Band-aid. Band-aid. 11. Latex glove. Latex glove. 12. Q-tip. Q-tip. 13. Antiseptic. Antiseptic. 14. Aspirin. Aspirin. 15. Wipe. Wipe.
I have a splitting headache. I need to grab a cup of coffee.
You drink too much coffee, Xiaowei. Why don't you take aspirin instead?
You are right. I have already had 7 cups today. The last thing I need is another one.
Just give me 2 minutes and I'll get some aspirin. Would you like a glass of water to wash them down?
Sure, that would be great. Ouch! What was that? Something just stuck me.
Let me have a look. Does it hurt?
Hurts! It's killing me! What is it?
It looks like a bee sting. Let me get a prisoner from the first aid kit.
Hurry up, Joy! I don't want to die here!
It's nothing serious. You'll be as good as new in no time.
I surely hope so. Hi everyone. Okay, now let's get some closely look at the conversations. And then here are some phrases you may replace, and so you can express your own situation. In a conversation, we say, I have a splitting headache. I need to grab a cup of coffee. So when you say, I have something like your healthy condition is not really good, so you have a headache. If you have like a toothache, then you will say, I have a toothache. Or if your stomach doesn't feel good, you may say, I have the runs. Or you can say, I'm feeling queasy. Queasy means you are really want to vomit. Okay, you want to throw up. Or if something, you have a car rush, for example, a car accident, you may say, I have road rush. Okay, so rush is like some red spot on your skin. Next one, in the second conversation in today's lesson, let's get some discussions about the dialogue. So here the one sentence say, ouch, what was that? Something just stunk me. Stunk, it's like a bite, so you can say something bit me. Okay, if the mosquito, you got the mosquito bite, you can say, oh, something bit me. Maybe the mosquito bit you. If you want to tell people, you can say, does it hurt? Or you may say, that might hurt a bit. It's like a kind of warn the person, be ready, something will happen, and then the person may feel hurt. We can say dial 911 if you are in America, something is really emergency, like a really bad situation, you might need to dial 911. If that happened in Taiwan, then you will dial 119. Okay, next sentence we are seeing here is hurt is killing me. So that is kind of expressions to explain something. It hurts a lot. Or you may say it hurts like crazy. It's also have the same meaning to express it hurts a lot. Okay, you can't stand that anymore. Next sentence we have here is nothing serious. You will be as good as new in no time. As good as new, which means you will recover very soon. You will be totally fine. Or you also can say I'm as good as new, which means you are really healthy. It's like no problem with you. You are totally fine. In no time here it means immediately. Okay, in no time means right now, immediately. So today's lesson is pretty short, and then I would like you to practice this conversation with your friends and then try to use the phrases we have learned in class, and then you use these phrases to express your own situation. See you next class. Bye bye.